Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily replace the coil packs on your Audi A4. This is a straightforward maintenance task that can resolve common issues like engine misfires or a rough idle. Before we begin, make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch. You will need a few basic tools, including a T20 Torx driver, a flat blade screwdriver, and your new coil packs. Let's get started and save you some money on dealership costs. First, open your Audi's hood and locate the engine cover. This cover usually just pulls straight up and off, often secured by 4 push tabs. Once the cover is removed, you will see the coil packs lined up on top of the engine. Next, you'll need to disconnect the wiring harness. There are typically 2 T20 Torx screws holding the harness in place. Remove these. Then, gently press the release tab on each electrical connector and slide them off the coil packs. Take your time to avoid damaging any brittle plastic. Now it's time to remove the old coil packs. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to gently pry them up, or a specialized coil pack puller if you have one. Be sure to pull them straight up to avoid damage. Once the old coils are out, take your new coil packs. Carefully insert each new coil pack into its respective spark plug well. Push down firmly until you feel or hear a click, indicating it is properly seated. Some technicians like to apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the coil pack tips for added protection. With all the new coil packs in place, it's time to reassemble. Reconnect the electrical harness connectors to each coil pack, making sure they click securely into position. Then, refasten the 2 T20 Torx screws that hold the wiring harness. Finally, align the engine cover and press it down firmly until it snaps back into place. Once everything is reassembled, start your Audi's engine. Listen for smooth operation and check your dashboard for any lingering check engine lights. If all looks good, you've successfully replaced your coil packs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.